Good morning children, this is grade 4 science class. Now we are doing the revision part. In the previous class we have done block 1, S1 and S2. Now today we will do the next two subtopics S3 and S4 and the remaining questions from practice questions. Now what did we learn in S3? Keeping clean. How to keep the different parts of our body clean. And S4, how does cleaning hands will give us a good health. So this we have covered in our S3 and S4 children. Now we will revise the answers. First we will read the lesson and we will revise the answers from worksheet and practice questions children. Now let us read from the reader. Children, open your reader, page number 11. First you have to read the lesson from reader. Twice or thrice read the lesson. Keeping our nose, tongue, skin, hair and nails clean. Here are some ways in which we can keep our nose, tongue, skin, hair and nails clean. Look at the first point. Clean your tongue with a tongue cleaner after brushing your teeth. Don't blow too hard to clean your nose. Instead, rinse the nose with water. Take a good bath with soap. Trim your nails regularly with a nail cutter. Wash and comb your hair regularly. Keep long hair neatly tied. Learn these points thoroughly, children. We'll see the next page. When to wash hands. We use our hands for picking up and touching everything around us. This may cause germs and dirt from things to come to our hands when we eat or touch our ears, eyes, nose or mouth. The germs and dirt could go into our body and make us ill. So we should wash our hands regularly. You should remember to wash your hands before and after eating or touching food. Always wash your hands after you have been to the toilet. Wash hands immediately after coughing and sneezing. Wash hands after traveling in public transport like trains, buses, taxis and auto rickshaws and rickshaws. Washing hands regularly prevents common colds. Learn all these points, children. And even you have to learn the glossary. Blink. Close and open eyes quickly. Ornament. Things worn out to add to beauty. For example, earrings. Now we'll see the practice questions. So children, today you are going to learn 5, 6, 7, 8. So you are going to learn these 4 answers and complete the revision of practice questions. Why do we need to take care of our tongue and how can we do that? And how can we take care of our nails and hair? And how can we keep our skin clean? Why should we wash our face after playing outside? So these 3 answers you can, if you learn the points, if you read the points from the reader, you can easily answer. But this 8th one you are going to write in revision part. This 8th question you are going to write 2 times in your classwork, children. Now we'll see workbook. Now open your workbook, page number 11. Today you are going to complete the revision of S3 and S4. So look at the pictures. Keeping clean, look at the pictures given below. Write how these activities help us to stay healthy. So in this way you may get any of the pictures. You are going to write what activities will help us to stay healthy. Write how many ways to keep our nose, tongue, skin, hair and nails clean. Circle the most useful tip in that. So you have to learn all the points which was there in the reader, so you can easily write this answer. If you have a long hair, how can you take care of them? I can keep my hair tied in a ponytail or I can wash my long hair with good shampoo. So learn all these answers, children. No need of writing this. Now look at S4. Clean hands and good health. Write if you should wash your hands. So they have given some activities. So where you should wash your hands, you have to identify. So after using a public transport like a train or a bus, Yes, we need to wash our hands. After playing in the playground? Yes. After doing your homework? Yes. Because nowadays you are catching the pencils, erasers, so that also may carry the germs. So yes, we need to wash our hands. After watching television? Yes. So you will touch the remote. So that also, there also you need to wash your hands. So in this way you may get any other activities, children. So you have to identify whether you need to wash your hands or not. What can happen if we do not wash our hands before and after touching a wound? So this one you are going to write in your classwork. What can happen? We need to wash hands before and after touching a wound. Why? Because our hands collect a lot of dirty as they touch the number of things. This dirt can contain germs, so that can make us ill. And see the third one, most public places have liquid soap dispenser to wash hands. Why? So soap bars can collect germs of different people on them. So these germs can pass into our body and hands. So this is unhealthy. So it is better to use a liquid soap which is healthy and prevents from germs free. So this answer also you are going to write. So from workbook you are going to write 2 question answers, and in the reader you are going to write 8th one. So these 3 questions you are going to write 2 times and learn all the answers from S3 and S4 and even 5 to 8 answers, children. Okay. Thank you.